E better as plenty people dey rush church gidigidi, but e good wan make we add am betterlicious life. My people, as wickedness, wayo and ojoro don dey put root for ground inside our country, Exodus 23 verse 2 says, don join multitude do evil. Isaiah 30 verse 1 to 13 and 2 Timothy 4 verse 2 to 5 talk say, time go reach as in day today, people go hate true gospel. With their ears wey dey scratch dem follow preachers with soap mouth. You go travel to America with private jet. Amen. E good o if we go there, but make we add am holiness. You listen to gospel yet you kill your neighbor with your mouth, radio without battery. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Our leaders no carry poor masses money. It doesn't matter, tomorrow it go matter most. Proverb talk say people wey take bad belle put their dirty leg for water, na dem go come back there come fetch am drink. One madman catch fowl, put inside bag dey shine eyes. Children shout thief, 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 and people gather there. The madman call one of the papas there. Papa o, make you take papa eye look inside my bag and tell these people whether there is any fowl. The papa look, see the fowl o, but come tell dem say fowl no dey inside that bag. Church dismiss. Na so better preachers sit one corner for church dey look all these black market preachers wey take koni wey hijack the church. Apostle Paul in Galatians 3:1 and Acts of Apostles chapter 17 says, Galacy, who chop una heart which, that una no fit differentiate bad and good preachers. Oh soldiers, you dey complain say bullet damage your ears during Biafra war. Wait, the main war is coming. Judgment day on false prophets and the followers. Revelation chapter 19 verse 20 to 21 and Romans 1 verses 28 to 32. Shine your eyes well. No be small thing o. The kind carrot wey John the Baptist in Ama in Mama Eliza inside belle, jumbo. Because if say na John time wey wickedness full ground belekete like today, John go take him prophet leg blow, jump out and comot for Eliza belle 3 months pregnant, so that we go preach. As a matter of fact and urgency, many need to change, including me wey be chid, because many ogbonga grammar wey we dey speak today carry dictionary for hand dey check the meaning. Na signs of the end time and evil world. Operation Python dance, Operation Crocodile smile, proscription and secession, take recession hammer am. Mother goat dey chop chuku grass, the pikin goat dey one corner dey watch him mouth dey learn. E dey sweet us for mouth when we dey call our leaders bad names and forget say na the same mama, the same genotype, the same place of worship. Una go hold Asambo church and religious book for hand dey look for our vote. After the election, una go dey lead us like people wey carry charm supporting head. Chicken mentality, keeping the brain in the village and representing the people in the city. Many African leaders refuse to change. You're president of a nation for 34 years, but the masses are suffering. Apprentices wey no sabi in work. Ghana just dey celebrate plenty years wey electric power no interrupt, but we wey dey sell power to Ghana only celebrate 1,000 megawatt of epilepsy power supply. Houseboy wey get him own dog. Local light wey no dey enough for us. Una carry am go market. Good Samaritan. Every dick and harry need to change in this country, including me. If we no want change, more pythons and crocodile go dance and smile. Terrorist war will never stop. Operation this, operation that without a permanent solution. No peace for the wicked. Our soldiers just dey call all the bad bush animal wey dey their head, wey dey sabi, so they finish every name wey dey their head. Come remember me wey be baddest animal for evil forest. Operation Girigeme, wetin go happen? Lion or tribe of Judah bros. Wahala dey o. Soldier una sure say true you wan make I tell una wetin we go do in this country so that peace go dey. Alright, soldier sit down. Wetin we go do be say person wey take small pikin things raise him hand when him hand no go reach am gogo. When the hand begin dey pain am, him go bring am down. The goat wey dey lie for ground na for him skin wey him dey lie so. Conny dog wey forget bad water inside broken pot go still come back drink am. Any bad belle pikin wey chop head swear say him mama no go sleep no go enter your eye. Any bad belle government wey no want people sleep, you no go test am. And anybody wey dey this country wey no want our leader make dem sleep, we no go sleep each come. If you na learn oyibo government, heart attack go reduce for una. If we wey be masses stop wayo life, katakata and bombing go stop. Cry babies, una don dey cry, hardship dey, hunger boku, no be wetin una ask for. The head wey disturb honeybees house, na him own eye go suffer am. When una get plenty insect for una firewood, lizard go visit to your house now. You join spirit go kill your bros, now you come dey burial ground with human beings. You go cut for bush, come dey ask us for road who cut that thing. Small meat from your teeth corner no fit belle full you. Proverbs 9 verse 17 and 18 and Proverbs 20 verse 17 says, food wey person thief dey sweet for mouth, but he no know say poison dey inside am, even gravel full am. Una dey cry now say government bad, na now wey dey go make all the plenty money wey dey share una, and the bag of rice and wrapper wey make you give wrong person your vote. Religious people for mouth longer throat. Na the same bribe wey make Esau vote him bros Jacob in a small family election after the boy go one corner dey cry for him birthright. Na one day food wey make una chop one kobo from our politician, but now una dey cry dey shit 1,000 pupu. Doctor wan cure you big tumor boy for your brocos, you come dey pump your belle Adam. Make I no belle full wey motor go break my leg. When government pity give una public money, say no or you say 50-50. This money wey una dey share carry una vote put inside pit toilet sock away, na the contract money for our bad road wey dey cause accident here and there. No be so. Our bros na our own Satan wey we get. Government repair our road, common people stop yeye and mago life go better, small and great. Make una come help comot this flood water when e never pass our foot level. About the tori, one priest wey sabi things wey dey matter inside Uganda country concerning the strong head and bad government of the president wey be President Idi Amin Dada of Uganda 1971 to 1979. The priest say this bomb wey dey hammer for common people head today, tomorrow e go land for people wey matter head. Like joke as boss inside Uganda. Mouth dey cry, no join am dey cry too. Preacher preach well, member well. Police well, teacher well. Things go better so that we go sleep with two eyes closed. Amen. Why una dey kill una bros take native doctor charm and ojuju dey pass maga? That is not our tradition. Make una no spoil our papa's culture. Some of our evil people don go far well in engineering and ICT. If you compare the local GSM phone, some of our native doctors take ordinary wool and red wrapper tie am together and add am one fowl feeder and ojuju pin for antenna. Chai, man pass man. As I see the sweat on my Globacom MTN GSM searching for network service of one person wey dey backyard, those evil men don carry our local GSM get service of 5 boys wey dey abroad and they die that day. That is why the poor nations are becoming poorer. Because I went to street market, American brain how much? 100 naira. Chinese brain nkokwana 1,000 naira. African brain they say 1 million. Chai. Then I call the angels in charge of cash and sales in a Queen English, oh boy, why do you sell African brain so expensive? No answer. I hammer the great Biafran English. Why do you sell Nigeria brain very expensive? No answer. But when I blow old King James English, why sell it down low? African brain thought expensive. The angel shouted, African brain has not been used at all. Chai, oh boy, you get plenty things where God put inside your life. If to chop witchcraft become house property, black man please, I dey knack head for ground take God beg una. Make we take that power, make name, construct evil aeroplane and not evil bed go chop our bros witch for night. One praise do before for Tanzania, President Kambarage Nyerenye of Tanzania come knack the world tori, saying when the American dey waka enter inside the moon, Africa dey busy enter inside bush. White man go fly enter moon, black man go dey enter inside forest. Wetin dem dey look for? Ojuju idol. Just yesterday, white people help us stop killing our twins and hatred for widows. Today, na Ojuju festival wey dey hungry una. Small pikin wey mama dey pity pass, na him dey go tear basket of meat. Today's native doctor, yeah, sabi your work. If not for one or two people wey dey inside village wey too dey suffer, I for pray for more hardship and hunger. Our gods are affected by the economic recession. Our gods dey chop chibos and zobo. Before for crossroad, na Fanta and shortbread full ground for sacrifice, but today go there, you go see pure water and popcorn. These people keep for the queen of coast. Chai, mommy sorry o, stop crying. Man pikin go see enough eat before they go give evil spirit. Very soon economic recession go. Obanje people go dey give you food. Mommyistic mommy. Chai, after all this ojuju thing, children go dey run to church, go look for deliverance. Black man sorry. And I need coffee. No take bad belle bite finger say to your bros, love your neighbors as you love yourself. Yes, the only difference between Oyibo Santa Claus and our Igbo made Santa Claus be say after wearing our ojuju wear and finish, we go give am koboko and weapons. That one mean I no go leave wetin I get for hand and masquerades go fill road collect money from motor people. But the white man wear im own masquerade finish, come call am Father Christmas without any weapon and koboko and go borrow gift for small children. As for giving, black men dey suffer convulsion, including me. The pikin wey dey suffer convulsion go take im teeth chop im mama finger, shit hot pupu when im growing go forget im mama. Some time ago, market fire send some traders back to the village. Some house help join hands support their oga because oga and oga madam dey do them good the time wey dem dey serve them. Giving is a two-way switch. Think madam, you go enjoy draw soup, carry water pupu soup, give your house help. God dey. I have a message for you, no condition is permanent. Psalm 75 verse 7 and Ezekiel 21 verse 6 says, God can make the poor rich and rich poor overnight. You cannot allow your husband help one person. Even in the church, all of them are witches and you are the only saint. Saint super glue hand. Now jealousy dey make some poor people chop witch. If everybody gets money, witchcraft go tear race comot. The same wickedness make one apprentice take koboko wire im master pursue am evil spirit for body, carry im back tear race. Your dirty and jankara life. Food for mouth, smoke dey comot from nose, chimney. Doctor go take stethoscope, check this, check that. How many times did you meet our pastors? Make them take Bible, check your conscience and eating habit. You go finish one carton of beer, only you eat big point and kill one family for it. Na the liver and the kidney biochemistry and physical metabolism you dey destroy. That is how one bobo after eating in the wedding, him go rush backyard vomit come dey eat again. That is to say, the one wey suppose dey inside pot make him dey inside my belle. Some sickness suppose comot from my body if say I take 1 teaspoon of milk and put inside my bros tea cup. Luke 3:11 and James 3:14-17. If you get 2 coats, give your bros 1. One man, one house. Very soon, Chidi go die. I go die. And those people wey no fit buy small food give me go carry ogbongo money go do burial. The main thing wey dey for church be love. Evidence prove love with giving at a center stage. For God so loved the world in John 3:16, carry him last card, only son dash us. Oyibo man bring us this education, make am free of charge. For the poor and the rich, when the white man comot leave us, we black man turn the thing to Igbo song. Education dey sweet oh, sweet oh, only for the rich parents. People wey matter in this country. The mother chicken tell him pikin, as una dey pick food for ground, add am small sand. The way up is going down. Play na fowl, fowl na play.
Now is your time, oh.